Hello everyone. Today let us discuss the concept survey research method. So the survey research method, one of the most important primary sources of data collection. If you see the meaning of survey research, it is usually used to find the fact by collecting the data directly from population or sample. I repeat, it is used to find the fact by collecting the data directly from population or sample. So it is the most commonly used descriptive method in educational researches. In other words, if you see the meaning of survey research method, it is the collection of information from a sample of individuals through their responses to questions. Okay, it is nothing but survey research is nothing but here we collect information from a sample of individuals through their responses to questions. So this is the meaning of survey research method. And coming to the types of survey research method, the first point, general and specific survey. Now what do you mean by general survey and what exactly the specific survey? So general survey generally involve collecting information about population or institution or phenomena without any specific objective. So I repeat, without any specific objective, we collect information about population, what we call general survey. These surveys are usually taken up by the government for providing regular data on socio-economic problems. So census is the best example for general survey. And on the other hand, the specific survey, here data collection is based on certain specified objectives or hypotheses. Okay, so specific survey, it is based on certain specified objectives or hypothesis, whereas general survey, without any specific objective, we collect information about population. So the specific survey, this kind of survey taken up by any institution specific to their problem, or individual surveys for their academic work. So this is best example, individual surveys for their academic work. So this is example for specific survey. Next point, census survey and sample survey. So we already mentioned census survey, it is a kind of general survey. So but the unique characteristics of census survey, it collects data from all the members of the population. Census survey collect data from all the members of the population. So sample survey, on the other hand, it is just opposite to the census survey. Here the data is collected from few samples from the population. Okay, in the case of sample survey, data is collected from few samples from the population, but in case of census survey, we collects the data from all the members of the population. So this is a major difference. Next point, public opinion survey. So the public opinion survey, so public opinion, it is the collective opinion of the people of a society on a specific topic. I repeat, public opinion is the collective opinion of the people of a society on a specific topic. So it is simply human research survey of public opinion. Okay, human research survey of public opinion from a particular sample. Next method, private survey. So the private survey, it is just opposite to public survey. So in the case of public survey, anyone who knows the web address of the survey may respond it. Okay, anyone who knows the web address of the survey may respond it. But in the case of private survey, only those people whom you specify, may take up the survey. So this is a major difference between private survey and public survey. In the case of public survey, anyone who knows the web address of the survey may respond. But in the case of private survey, only those people whom you specify the web address, they can take up the survey. Next point, confidential survey. So the confidential survey, so these are the type of online survey where the participant's name is not visible. So this is important, participant names is not visible, assuming that the respondent fills out the survey honestly. So assuming that the respondents fills out the survey honestly, so the participant's name is not visible. This means you will only be able to see his answers and not his name. So the confidential surveys are beneficial when you want to get feedback from people anonymously. So in the case of a confidential survey, you cannot see the participants name. You can see only the answer. So participant name is not visible. Next point, postal survey. So the postal survey, so this is one of the most important data collection mod in social science survey research. Now the postal survey, it is a quantitative data collection method in which questionnaires are sent by post to potential respondents. So in the case of postal survey, questionnaires are sent by post to potential participants, and that is what is called postal survey. So it is a quantitative data collection method. Next point, pilot survey or main survey. So the survey that is conducted with few individuals of the target population. I repeat, it is the survey conducted with few individuals of the target population or the sample of a survey in order to test and refine the survey instrument. Here the objective, test and refine the survey instrument. So this is the objective of a pilot study. So to test and refine the survey instrument. Now for example, questionnaire and instruction manual and data processing manual and programs. So before the main data collection across the target population or the full sample. In other words, a pilot survey is a strategy used to test the questionnaire using a smaller sample compared to the planned sample size. So it is a strategy used to test the questionnaire using a smaller sample compared to the planned sample size. So here survey usually on a small scale carried out prior to the main survey. So primarily to gain information to improve the efficiency of the main survey. So this is also the main objective. So firstly, to gain information and to improve the efficiency of the main survey. So for example, it may be used to test a questionnaire to ascertain the time taken by field procedure or to determine the most effective size of sample unit. So these are the main types of survey method. So I repeat, general survey or specific survey. General survey without any specific objective, specific survey with specific objectives. So census, here we collect data from all the members of the population. On the other hand, survey, opposite to census survey, here data is collected from few samples from the population. Public opinion, it is the collective opinion of the people of a society on a specific topic. Private survey is just opposite to the public survey. So confidential survey, here the name is not visible. You can see the answer and not the name. Postal survey, here the questionnaires are sent by post to potential participants. And the last one, pilot survey. So pilot survey, it is a strategy used to test the questionnaire using a smaller sample compared to the planned sample size. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.